Welcome to SKIBIDI Tech. Today, I will share 5 Android apps with you that can make your Android phone performance to the high level. The first one is TypeKeeper. If you typed something and then accidentally erased it, or an app just stopped and now all your text typing is lost, then this app is perfect. It is designed to automatically save everything you type and copy in all your apps on your Android device. Just open it whenever you want to take a look. The second app is Image Toolbox Resizer. With this app you can do filter, resize, compare, crop and do anything with your images too. Make your images looks better. This app is the one of the best and easy to use. The third app is called Arc, Seamless File Sharing. Arc is a file sharing application that overcomes the limitations of proprietary hardware and software to allow you to share files securely across all your devices with the easiest user experience. It will let you share and transfer files of all kinds: photos, videos, documents, PDFs, Photoshop files. The fourth app is called BluetoothELL Spam. It's kind of fun app. It will allow you to send notifications from your Android device to Android, iPhone and Windows. I already made a video on it, how it's work. The link is in the description. The fifth app is called Watts. Watts is a simple battery power indicator for your Android device's status bar, showing the number of watts coming out of or going into your battery. Opening the app also shows additional detailed battery metrics. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.